Our new friend Lele. Shout out to Lele. Lele is going to help us in our lesson today. Lele has some codes, and I'll be teaching you Lele's codes. We are coming to learn integer arithmetic. What's that? What does that mean? What does it mean to say integer arithmetic? What does that mean? Symbols for so plus addition, subtraction, division. That's what we call. So it means that we are coming to learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers. So before Lele joins us on today's show, we have to get Lele's road for is it a her or him? Lele should be here. It's a her. It's okay. Lele is an it. It's an it. Yeah, Lele's road. Lele has. I'll give you Lele's code. Okay. So let's name Mark. We have 1, 7, and then the negative side. I think I should use a red one. -1, -2. I hope just this part brings something you know already in mind. It's an N word. It's what? Yeah, number line. But all the while, you know, you were dealing with just something. I like how you are paying attention. Very nice. -5, -6, -7. Okay, let's start with this. Now, Lele has two movements. Lele always faces the forward direction. Is that okay? So code number 1, Lele's code. Lele's code. Code number 1. It's always faces forward. Addition means addition. Lele moves forward. Addition as in addition plus, right? Then positive integer. Lele moves forward, like these positive integers. Lele moves forward. Now, negative integers. Negative what? Integers. Lele moves backwards. And then the last one for subtraction. Lele goes the opposite direction. So it simply means that if Lele should be, this is what I mean. So if Lele should be going, so he's always facing forward. If she's going, and then there's subtraction, not negative sign or subtraction. What do you think? Lele will quickly turn and start going like this. Do you understand? When Lele is just on a normal day, Lele will face forward. On a normal day, he's just facing, every day he faces forward. When there is addition, you start moving like this. Right? So when it's addition, you start moving like this. When it's adding when it's adding a negative number, you move back. So let's try our hands on one. So when we have something like this, everybody watch here. The team here, Priscilla. I need your attention here a lot. So when I have 2 plus 3, this actually is a positive 2, right? Plus a positive 3. Is that okay? Because I said that usually when you have 2 plus 3, we don't write the positive sign. Anytime there's no positive sign, it simply tells you that it's positive. Okay, so I have 2 plus 3. Where will Lele be? Right here, right? Yes. So starting from here, plus means addition. It moves forward. How many times is it going to move forward? 3. So moves to this plus this. So let's measure it from this leg. So it's here. So 1, 2, 3. So where will Lele be? 5. All right. Can we try some other one? Give me a number. Every group, give me a play. 5 plus 1. So we have 5 plus 1. But this is plus 5 plus 1. Is that okay? Is that okay? Yeah. So Lele will be where? He'll be on 5 and quickly move to 6, right? Okay. Now let's even move to the negative side. What if Lele is on negative 4 plus let's say plus negative 2. Okay, what do you think? So let's put the bracket so that it can be more. So negative 4, right? So Lele's leg is here. Now if it's adding negative integer, what's the movement of Lele? Number 4. What's his movement? Backwards. Pay attention. Backwards, how many times? Twice. So it goes 1, goes 2, backwards. So it lands on what? Negative 6. Good. Negative 6. Okay, let's try another one. Any number? 4 plus 3. So Lele is on 4, right? He goes 1, 2, 3. He lands on 7. Beautiful. So simple. Negative 2. That's quite interesting. Negative 2 plus what? Positive 4. Right? So Lele is what? Negative 2 and then plus negative 4. That means he's moving forward 4 times, right? Plus positive 4. So he's moving forward 4 times. Lele always faces forward. He begins on negative 2. So 1. So it goes to 0. 0 is here. Don't forget that one. So Lele is here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's landing on what? Positive 2. So simple. Any other? Okay, positive 5. All right. Mm-hmm. 6. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let's exhaust the addition first. So the next one will be subtraction. So have we exhausted enough on the addition?
Yes.
All right.
So 1 minus.
Mm-hmm.
4 minus.
That's minus. That's not addition. So I want us to exhaust the addition. I think we are all familiar with 4 plus 3. I think it's still part of the. So 4, Lele moves 1, 2, 3. Now watch here. So I think that the only new guy coming here is this negative ones. When you add a negative to a negative, I think that's really the new thing here right now. So let's try 2 other ones. So let's negative what?
Negative 2 plus positive 4.
Yeah, that's what we did. So negative 2. Positive means positive. When you're adding a positive number, Lele moves forward. So he moves 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure, don't forget a 0. All right. So what if we are adding negative 5 plus negative 2? So negative 5, negative integers. Lele does what? Moves backwards. So he moves 1, 2. So negative 5 plus negative 2 be what? Perfect. Negative 5 plus negative 2 is negative 7. Now, can we do some subtractions here? Now, watch here. Oh. Let's see something here. Let's try the very simple subtractions we know. That would be 5 minus 3. But this also is plus 5. I need your attention. Okay? Plus 5 minus plus 3. Agree to that? Agreed? All right. So where will Lele be? Where will Lele be? Lele will be on 5. So this leg on 5, right? And it's facing forward. Is that okay? Lele's movement is always where? Always forward. So when there's a subtraction, what will Lele do? He will change direction like this. Now, can you see that? When you are adding a positive integer, what will Lele do? He will move forward. How many times? How many times? So 1, 2, 3. Are you following? Yes. And where is it going to land? 2. It's going to land on 2. Can we see that? Can we see that? Yes. All right. So let's see. What number else? Bring a number to divide, to subtract. 2 minus 5. Okay. So let's say she said 2 minus 5. But we say that this is actually plus 2, right? Minus plus 5. Agreed on that? Do we agree? Yes. Makela said 2 plus 5. So what will Lele be? Lele will be where? 2. He said 2 plus 5. 2 minus 5. All right. So Lele is here 2, right? Minus means what? Minus for Lele means what?
Change direction.
So Lele is going to change direction here. And plus 5 means you should go where? Forward. How many times?
5.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is it going to land?
Negative.
So plus 2 minus 5 is equal to what? Negative 3. Is that okay?
Yes.
Any other example? No, bring more examples. Let's work on as much as, yeah?
5 minus negative 2.
Okay. So look at this interesting one. You really need it. So 5 minus negative 1. So where will Lele be? Okay, let's do negative 1 first because of the number line. We don't have more numbers here. So 5 is where? Right?
Yeah.
No, he's facing. Am I right?
Yeah. No.
Am I right?
No.
Lele must face where?
Forward.
So that's it. So 5 minus means what? Change direction. Are you following?
Yes.
Then negative integer. What will Lele move? Backwards. How many times? 1. So where will he land? 6. So 5 minus 1 is positive 6. Yeah. So you get to. So just keep the movements in your mind. Yeah, so it simply tells you that when you do this, it tells you that whenever negative and negative meet, they become positive. So that's why we got that reading. Nege po, nege po, nege po, nege po. Do you get that? So when negative and negative meets, it becomes what? Plus. So 5. So Lele is on 5. Minus means what? Minus means what? Minus means what?
Change direction.
So change direction. Then negative 1 means what?
Negative 1.
Means, so negative, what does negative integer Lele does what?
Move backward.
Moves backward 1 time. Please, are you following? So it lands on 6. So let's try one other thing. Let's give me numbers. Let's give me numbers and then let's try. So the next time we'll be doing this, you all have negative 1. No, 0 is only 0. Is that okay? So, but let's see negative 1 plus 0, right? So negative 1. 0 means Lele did not make any movement. So it's still negative 1. Please, you get that? So bring numbers. Let's try. negative 1 plus. Okay, that's addition. I think we've even done that already, but all the same, let's do it. Negative 1 plus what? Negative 5, right? So negative 1. Lele is here, right? Plus means you should do what? Go forward. How many times? No, plus, sorry, plus negative 5. Sorry, plus negative 5. Negative 5 means you should go backwards.
Yes,
Do you get that? No, you change direction is negative. Plus negative 5 means if you're adding a negative, Lele moves backward. Please, do you get that?
Yes.
So negative 1 plus go backwards 5 times. Negative 1, he goes backwards how many times? Let's go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
so he lands on what? Negative 6. All right, so I will expect that the next class you come, everybody brings their own kind of pet. So you can bring, I don't know what your name, so you can bring it as a group, however you want to name it. Then we all rehearse it on our tables. Is that okay? But for the meantime, let's try and do something. So take this ones home. When you go, you rehearse this. So questions. So let's rehearse this ones when you go home. So negative 3 plus negative 5. 3 plus 5. So let's do it for just one set of numbers. 3 plus 5. So I said that anytime there's nothing there, it's automatically positive. Is that okay? So 3 plus 5. Then what else? Negative 3 plus positive 5. Let's exhaust as much as many things. So negative plus negative positive 5. This one can be positive 3 plus negative 5. Then this should be what? Negative 3. So 3, let's start from 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3. Then the next one will be negative 3 minus negative 5. And then positive 3 minus negative 5. The last one, or the last two, negative 3 plus positive 5. So let's write these ones down. And where is it? Okay, negative 3 minus positive 5, rather. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, so let's take these ones to the house and then work on them. They are different, plus, minus. All right, so, okay, so thank you.